Hi, today I am testing a Raspberry Pi tank robot that I have built. It has a 5-inch TFT screen which is controlled by HDMI and USB. It is a touch screen, but I do have a protective acrylic sheet over the top of it. As we come around, you can see I have a web camera on the front. This is a speaker. This robot is capable of using OK Google when connected to Wi-Fi. I have the Raspberry Pi board here. This is a servo board. It controls the motor output, so I have variable speed. This is a DC to DC reducer. Underneath down here is a separate power pack that powers just the Raspberry Pi, so I don't have to use my battery power. I do have some 9-volt batteries in this, but they're a little underpowered.
Try again in a few seconds.
Oh, Google is speaking. Okay, Google, what time is it?
It's 3:15.
Okay, Google, what day is it?
It is Monday, the 11th of June 2018.
Okay, Google, can you tell me where I live?
Sorry, I don't know how to help with that.
Okay, Google, do you know my location?
Your current location is Whispering Hills, Nashville, Tennessee.
That'll do. Alright, so let me get the camera set up, and then I will launch the Pi program from the terminal, and we will check some of the functionality of the motors, maybe a couple obstacles, and just see how the tank performs. I am controlling the robot and doing all my inputs through this miniature keyboard with the control pad. I don't know if you can see the screen, but I am in the terminal. I'm in my robot directory where I have stored my control Python program. And I'm now going to launch it so that I have control of the robot. The longer I hold the buttons, they'll change direction, slowly to make turns. Pushing the OK button will stop the command. You can then turn again in increments, slower, faster. The tracks on this robot are plastic, so they do slip sometimes, but for the most part it works. I am going to put some more powerful 12-volt motors. We got over the first obstacle. Oh, we got over the second obstacle. Turn around, let's come back. And we are over and over, all right. It will function in the grass, but it's a little iffy sometimes. Oop, got stuck in a circle. One track, all right. Make a nice slow circle. All right, we are over. Oh, there we go. I would say that this is a successful test.